Located in western India, Gujarat is a state known for its rich history, vibrant culture, and stunning natural beauty. With a perfect blend of tradition and modernity, Gujarat attracts millions of tourists every year. Some must-visit attractions in the state include the impressive Statue of Unity, which is the world's tallest statue and honors Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Gir National Park is a haven for wildlife enthusiasts, home to the majestic Asiatic lions. The Rann of Kutch's white salt dessert transforms into a lively spectacle during the Rann Utsav festival. Dwarkadhish Temple, dedicated to Lord Krishna, is a popular pilgrimage spot, while Somnath Temple holds a deep cultural and spiritual significance. With its vibrant festivals, diverse attractions, and modern infrastructure, Gujarat promises a memorable travel experience for all visitors. Gujarat boasts a well-connected road network, highlighted by the Ahmedabad-Baroda Expressway. The state's railway system is robust, with major junctions in Ahmedabad, Surat, and Vadodara. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel International Airport in Ahmedabad connects Gujarat globally, while domestic airports in Surat, Rajkot, and Bhavnagar enhance regional connectivity. The state's coastline is dotted with major ports like Kandla and Mundra, facilitating trade and tourism. Gujarat's educational institutions include schools affiliated with CBSE, ICSE, and state boards, along with prestigious colleges like Maharaja Sayajiraya University in Vadodara and LD College of Engineering in Ahmedabad. Notable universities such as the Indian Institute of Management, IIM, in Ahmedabad and Gujarat University attract students from across the country. Gujarat, located in western India, is a rich tapestry of cultural heritage, stunning natural landscapes, and impressive modern achievements. Renowned for its historical importance, lively festivals, and diverse tourist attractions, Gujarat offers something for every type of traveler. The bustling city of Ahmedabad, the largest in Gujarat, holds the prestigious title of a UNESCO World Heritage City. Must-visit sites in Ahmedabad include the Sabarmati Ashram, Kite Museum, Calico Museum of Textiles, Kankaria Lake, and Jama Masjid. Junagadh's Gir National Park is a popular destination, known for being the last refuge of the Asiatic lions. Visitors can embark on thrilling wildlife safaris and catch glimpses of various wildlife species such as lions, leopards, and deer within the park. The city of Lothal is renowned for its advanced dockyard and thriving maritime trade, showcasing a rich history of commerce and seafaring. Dhalavira boasts well-preserved ruins, intricate water reservoirs, and a distinctive urban design that offers insights into ancient civilization. Moving on to Saputra, visitors can enjoy panoramic views from Sunset Point and Lake, marvel at the majestic Jira Falls, and immerse themselves in the vibrant culture of the local tribes at the Tribal Museum. In Vadodara, travelers can explore the opulent Lakshmi Vilas Palace, wander through the lush Sayaji Gardens which houses a zoo and planetarium, and pay homage to Mahatma Gandhi at the Kirti Mandir Memorial. Folk music and dance, experience Bhavai and Dero performances in Gujarat. The cuisine in this vibrant state is a delightful mix of sweet, savory, and spicy flavors. Indulge in famous dishes like dhokla, thepla, kanvi, fafda, and undiyu. Don't miss out on street food favorites such as pani puri, dabilai, and khaman. For dessert, try jalebi, shrikhand, and mohanthal. Accommodation options in Gujarat range from luxury hotels like the Taj Gateway to budget-friendly guesthouses. The best time to visit is from October to March, when the weather is pleasant. Gujarat has excellent transportation options, with well-connected roads, rail, and air travel. The local language is Gujarati, but Hindi and English are widely spoken.